Hey everyone, is Pika AI taking too long to generate videos? In this video, I'll show you how to speed up video generation in Pika AI step by step. First, check your internet connection. A faster and more stable connection can help Pika AI load and process requests more smoothly. Next, simplify your prompts. I mean shorter and clearer prompts with fewer complex details can often generate videos faster. Try creating shorter videos instead of longer ones. Smaller projects usually require less processing time. You can also reduce advanced effects, high-quality settings, or complex animations if you need faster results. Make sure your browser is updated and close unnecessary tabs or applications that may slow down your device. If Pika AI is running slowly, try generating videos during less busy times because server demand can affect processing speed. You should also avoid uploading very large files. Compress images or videos before uploading when possible. Finally, check your account plan and available features, as some plans may offer faster generation options. And that's how to speed up video generation in Pika AI. By optimizing your prompts, settings, and files, you can create AI videos faster and more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.